Guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. I have a final on the Sunrunner, Ford Sunrunner van. And of course I did the yellow one on the box here. I had STS remake the decals for me. And as you can see, the kit was by the box. It was pretty well worn. I saved the box as best I can here. And it's just going to go into my garage once I do this, once I decide to put it away. So let me show you what I got so far. So this is the STS decals you see on the sides here. And the back door, the back doors, along with the STS logos there, and the Ohio plates. Tinted the windows in a Tamiya clear blue. Has a wooden luggage rack on the roof with the vinyl top underneath there. And those are the taillights it came with, and the bump. Well, I had to get new bumpers for it because it was missing bumpers when I got this kit. I had to pop out those side windows when I got it because they were put in already. The windshield I could not pop out because it was glued in pretty good. But I masked around it, filled the sunroof where they cut the piece out there. Custom wheels came from the 90 Chevy C1500. These are real deep dish spoked hole ones, or vented hole ones. I did a flat black hood, flat black center of the hood with the decals going over it, overlaying it. The grill is 3D printed. I forget the name of the brand I got it from. It was off eBay. The driver inside, as you can see, is a 24 scale version of myself. I built him a long time ago. So he finally got a car to sit in. And came out very good. I didn't have any side pipes put on, so I just put the stock exhaust. And here's the chassis right here. Came out pretty good. I did a blue underneath with the yellow body to make it look like it was originally blue before they customized it. Here's underneath the hood of it. Has a little overspray of the blue on the parts, and you can see a little bit of the engine down there. Here's just going to be a shelf queen anyways, though. And just want to thank everybody for watching the videos on this. Came out very good. I want to thank STS for making the decals, and the eBay seller that made those, that I was able to get the bumpers from. And also the eBay seller that I got this beautiful 7983 Ford grill for it. And yeah, that's how it came out, guys. And look for many more videos, me building vans. I'm sure it's not going to be the last one. Oh, by the way, the interior, if you can look inside here, let's see, has a table inside there, and there's a couch that runs around it. You've probably seen it in the previous video. And it has the panels on the inside. So everything came out good on this. It's just the thing of scavenging all different parts when you get a kit that's missing parts. But it's too cold to part out. So hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. Alright.